Good morning, students. I Rasika Patil from Pratibha International School. So today we are going to do an activity. So before we start with the activity, I just wanted to tell you that why we are doing an activity today. So what's the purpose of this activity? So you have heard what is there today. So what are we celebrating today? Today we are celebrating Nag Panchami. So Nag Panchami is a day of a traditional worship of Nagas or snakes observed by Hindus throughout India, Nepal, and other countries where Hindus live. So, what we do, live snakes, especially any kind of varieties of shapes like cobras or any simple snake, are also worshipped on this day. So, especially with the offerings of milk, then and generally with the assistance of a snake chamber, what we are doing, we are keeping our milk in front of the snakes, or also we are keeping that milk in front of the snake's chamber so that the snake could have that milk. So during this Nag Panchami, why do we worship Nagas or snakes? So because for the protection of the family from the evil energies. So from evil energies, our family should be protected. So we are celebrating this Nag Panchami by offering the milk to our snakes. So today's activity. We are going to prepare a mehndi design on your hands. I'll be taking help of my colleague for putting a mehndi. So before we start our mehndi, what is the role of a mehndi? Why are we putting? So it is said that girls in Hindus, in the form of a promise, girls are applying mehndis on their hands the prayer day of the Nag Panchami, so that the next day it would be colorful on our hands. Mostly the Hindus, they are applying mehndis on their hand in the form of a promise to their brothers. So now today we are going to put a small mehndi design. So let us begin for the same. So students, now let us start with putting a small mehndi design on a palm. So let us begin for the same. So I have taken one mehndi cone and I am starting my design from here. Now I am going to draw a Arabic style design which will be easy for the kids to draw. So students, instead of this flower, you can even draw some other kind of a flowers. The simple one I am trying on. Let us draw another type of a flower now. But students, one more thing remember, if you are putting a mehndi, keep a cloth aside with you. So if knots are coming in between your cone, you can rub it off instead of using any kind of a other things. So the one more trick is there for doing it. Just put shade it at the upside of your flowers, because after shading this upper portion of your flowers, as you wash your hands, it looks a different look comes to our flowers whichever we have drawn into our mehndi. So even you can use safety pin for just drawing this design. Now one more flower, I'll draw a smaller one. Start with drawing a query. Another shape we'll try on now. In Marathi we call it as query, and I think in Hindi we call it as keri. So let us draw for the same shape. So this is our keri shape. Let us draw a small flower over here, and then we'll fill it to the keri shape. Now let us fill this by drawing a small dot, and in with the help of that dot we'll draw a small design which will give an attractive look to our mehndi. We'll repeat the same design for the whole shape. Take different directions for drawing the same shape in the query, so that it will give a nice look to your mehndi. So I think girls will enjoy this activity, doing this activity on their own hand. In fact, they'll draw in their mother's hand. But I would like to ask, even boys can try on this in their mother's hand. So hope I'll get maximum photos from the boys side who have tried this mehndi design on their mother's hand, or sisters, even they can try it on their sister's hand. So here we have completed with our palm. So as it is an Arabic design, so I'm just going to draw a simple zigzag line. Now let us try for the shading. Without the shading, I hope all the girls will miss out the shading. So I just want to color my fingers with the mehndi. So I'll just color it. Now I have put that mehndi unevenly. So just spread it in a proper way to your fingers. So likewise you do it for all rest of the fingers. So students, one more thing I want to tell you, whenever you are drawing this any kind of a Arabic mehndi, just think that the thickness of this design should be more. So it should be very thick. Okay. Now as it is not ending properly, so we'll just put a lines at the edges of our fingers, and these are all, we can say, finishing line for our mehendis. So how is it, students? A quite simple. See students, this is our mehendi. How is it? I hope you will like this mehendi and you will all try it by you. So that's it. Thank you.